Hello everybody, in this video I will try to show you how you can play Minecraft on your MacBook. But before starting, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. There are many tricks of the trade on the way, so please try to follow till the end of the video. Okay, let's start. For that we have to check or look for in our browser T launcher as you see here, and let's go to their web page T Launcher, and let's download T Launcher on the left, T Launcher for Minecraft. Or we can go to download link here at the bottom, and it will ask the platform that we want to use. For us, of course, it will be Mac, and it will download the T Launcher zip. So I downloaded it to my desktop. Let's click on that. It unzipped it. So let's go to now our desktop. And as you can see, T Launcher is here. When you open the T Launcher, when you open the T Launcher, you can see here a jar file. Basically, this is a Java file. So I will double click on it, and it will say, okay. If it doesn't, of course, right click on it and say open. And now it will ask you if you are sure. Let's say open. Okay, now it says that you need to install Java Development Kit. I will say more info here. It will take me to Oracle Java web page. Don't worry about this stuff, because Oracle is a reliable company and Java is a well-known software, so this is not any virus or anything related to that. And go down and select macos here. When you come here, you have to select according to your Mac. If your Mac is an old version, if it is not M1 chip, basically, you have to select one of these: x64, compressed archive, or DMG installer. For me, I use macos Catalina, so I will select DMG installer. I can select this one also, but I will select DMG installer. And now it's downloading Java Development Kit, and I will click on that. Okay, let's double click on the package, and let's say continue, and let's enter our pass and install software. Now it's installed. I'll say the move to the bin or trash, and that's it. Now after you installed it, come back to T Launcher and double click on that. You will see that it's launching right now, it's starting right now. And when you come here, you can write a username. For me, I wrote anything here, and there are a bunch of options, but I select here Optifine, and I will say enter the game. Okay, as you can see, the initial screen is loading up. Let's see, it's 1.17.1, its version. Okay, here we are. Basically, the game is installed, and now you can start to play. Of course, there are many options here. You can play with different options with video settings, quality of the video. If your game is very slow on your machine, you can set it here. And I will just say done. And when you say single player, it will ask you to create a new world. Of course, I mean, you can use something that you have already created, or something, let's say old world here. And if you say create new world, it can, I will say not new, but say old world this time, and create new world. It can take some time to initiate the world, but eventually it will start and you can start to enjoy your game. Enjoy your game and have a great evening.